You know you're an intern here, your say can go a long ways. Your input here is highly looked at. With my input, I've made changes to some processes. So I thought it would be a great place to, kind of start my career at. You can help make this company even greater than it already is.
Working at Great West has been a fantastic career building experience for me. My work here has allowed me to work with many different people from different departments, all with very different roles. The culture at Great West is very positive and supportive.
I communicate with anyone from executives to interns, and everyone treats me as a professional, and I'm looked at as an equal. This internship made me feel more like an employee, not as an intern who has to get their supervisor's coffee.
When you come for an internship in our systems development group, you'll become an active member of one of our Agile development teams. Right from the beginning, you'll be taking on development tasks and working with your team to develop new capabilities to our business systems. You'll get real-world experience in technologies like Java and EXTJS in a fun and dynamic development environment.